Hello! Welcome to another exciting class on ExamPadi. Our topic today is description and properties of field. In this lesson, we will 1. Explain the concept of fields, and 2. List and describe the types of fields. Field can be defined as the region or space under the influence of some physical agencies such as gravitational, electrical, and magnetic. Fields are of various types, namely gravitational, magnetic, and electric field. What do you understand by gravitational field? Let's discuss. Gravitational field is any region or space around a mass in which the gravitational force of the mass is felt. If we throw up massive objects, it is our common observation that they move up to their highest points, stay stationary very briefly, and eventually move downwards, falling faster and faster until they hit the ground level. The up and down movement objects on the Earth's surface are subject to the influence of the gravitational field. The force of gravity is the pull of attraction between the Earth itself and objects on or near it. This brought us to the Newton's law of universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that the force of attraction between two bodies of mass m1 and m2 is inversely proportional to the square of their distance r between their centers, and it is directly proportional to the product of their mass. Where F is the gravitational force on either particle, m1 and m2 are their masses, r is the distance between them, and g is a universal gravitational constant, whose numerical value depends on the unit in which the force, mass, and length are expressed. F equals gm1 m2 over r squared depicts the Newton's law of universal gravitation. Acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration of objects due to the Earth's gravitational attraction is called the acceleration due to gravity. It is represented by the symbol small letter g, whose average value is about 9.81 meters per second squared. Without air resistance, different mass or objects released from rest at the same point will fall to the ground at the same time. This is known as free fall. The other type of field we'll be looking at is magnetic field. The region or space around a magnet in which the influence of the magnet can be felt or detected is called a magnetic field. If a white sheet of paper is placed over a magnet and iron fillings are sprinkled on the paper, it will be observed that the iron fillings will arrange themselves in a definite pattern, which illustrates the magnetic lines of force of the magnet. A similar pattern can be obtained by using the compass needle to plot the magnetic lines of force. What then do we understand by lines of force? A line of force is an imaginary line drawn in such a way that its direction at any point, that is, the direction of the tangent, is the same as the direction of the field at that point. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Answer the following questions to assess yourself on the just concluded lesson. 1. What is a field? 2. List and explain the different types of field. 3. Differentiate between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational force. And 4. What do you understand by the line of force? Thank you for learning about description and properties of field with me. See you in our next video. Keep learning.